Is that the recording?
Why would I come to that side if I'm on the light side?
You're actually on the wrong side.
Oh, this is it. If this is not it, I'm gonna be bad.
Christmas early.
Slap neck?
Mm-hmm. Slap neck bad.
Yes, so I'll slap your neck because it is.
Why you got the knife pointed at man's face, bro? Who the knife?
What is
It
it?
is fucking it open.
It's
Mario
Mario
cutting
stuff.
it open. Hurry up, finish cutting it open.
See, look. Mom stuff.
What is
It's
it?
a cake.
Definitely mama's.
You're
You're goofy.
You're mad. Oh, that's
I would have really never thought that I would.
okay. I'm gonna open this. Really?
Wait, we don't know if. Yeah, wait, but I don't know if this one is it.
Dang, so.
Yeah, for real, dude.
Look, Isaiah, that's yours.
Yo, alright, somebody take the knife out this
Yeah,
man.
let me.
No, brother.
You got
You're solo. You're done with the knife, dude. Put the knife down.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Get yours right. You ain't gonna fool. Make sure it's yours.
Yeah, right,
Like it has your name on it or something?
No. Oh, that's my phone. Wait, no, they have the same thing.
So there was another one on the table?
Yes, sir.
No, we don't know what that is.
We have no idea what that is.
Open it, fool. Yeah,
Yes, sir. But I gotta put it together.
Duh.
This is gonna be some. Are these the Orbeez?
No.
No, those are the little balls.
How you
Those are
open it?
BBs.
How you open it?
Yes,
It's
the
opening.
order.
Don't rip it open, son. We
No,
know
I'm not trying to rip it. I'm just trying to put it
we
open.
know you the one that be tearing up the dang on cereal box.
What?
Yeah,
Did I
uh-huh.
put all of this one?
I'm dumb.
I know.
Dummy.
We got a drum. I'm gonna spin a block on Brody. Look how many bees we got. Daddy,
He
you should
couldn't
send
wait
that
to make that statement.
Daddy, you should send that to
Sir,
Brody.
Solo, we got the glasses. What's wrong with you? You
When
gotta
y'all
put
put
it
this
together.
on for me?
No.
Boy.
Go get your phone and look at the video. It'll show you.
That's gonna take like 6 years.
Hey, stop sounding dumb like you incompetent, dude.
Especially
You know
for
what to
me.
do. Follow directions on the
Yes,
screen.
sir. Y'all got a babies. Hey, that junk
Oh, yeah,
look
there is
bigger
that.
than
I'll
it
go back to this.
is. That look
Yeah.
bigger than it is.
Nowadays, those are poppets.
Oh, this is the thing that'll help you see it.
Do you wear pops on?
Huh? Nah, I'm good.
Twisted, Judah.
Sure.
Whose phone? I gotta get my phone from the back room.
Your phone's
Whoa,
right
I got an
there. Isaiah, your
astronaut.
phone is right there.
Oh, shit.
So are they all different ones? No,
No,
yours
No,
is
I
different.
got a different color. They got the same one.
Ah.
Oh, I
So here's the second clip. Then you got this the one more.
Why is it so small?
Then you got the dot side.
Like, easy. I thought it would be
This
like
don't
thick.
work. Look, Judah.
Surprise mama even let y'all get a gun.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, I've been asking her.
For the longest, mama been anti-gun.
Not even a Nerf gun.
Mama let me
The
have
vegan
it.
loader. Is this a silencer?
I guess.
Man, this thing almost longer
I
than the
forgot to
gun.
put this back on. I don't even know how to put this thing on.
But look at it.
It should be connected.
Oh, I'm dumb.
Yes, but we gotta put something right there.
It should go in and squeeze on. Yeah, you got
So
it.
you have to find the battery. There's an extension.
This thing was mad garbage, bro.
My camera is mad garbage.
Yes, this is definitely
You
lagging.
gotta pull it.
Like iPhones, what you got, an iPhone 12? iPhone 13.
13.
An iPhone 13.
Yes.
They just make it better camera quality, but it's still
The
not
way
better.
my thing is, it's so small.
Right.
I can't. It's so hard. All right, y'all gotta find a battery.
It's definitely in the same spot as.
Batteries not included.
Batteries are good.
Everything.
Why can't they just charge
Oh,
themselves?
see, this is the long part.
What is this?
That's a card.
What?
What? What did he say?
This one, bro. All right, you got it. It's not a condom. So.
Oh yeah.
That's a card. Oh,
No, ask me. I know how to put it.
I can't put this thing on. It's not putting on.
Don't
It
ask
should
me.
twist.
Oh my God,
I've been twitching the whole time.
Never mind.
Don't put
You
it at
just
my
put
head.
it down to your head.
Why does it right at my head?
So the battery goes in this right here. The battery
Yes,
goes
I
in this
know.
part.
I know.
Oh, so you bit off.
Yes, he did all these.
What is this?
While you're trying to tell something, Judah's already assembling it.
Oh, you
He's
put
like
you put
3
the
steps
Orbeez in
ahead
there
of
and
you.
you tilt it over
Oh,
like this and turn it.
Oh.
Is this the stand for it? Like,
I don't know.
oh no, this goes on top.
There's instructions for it.
I mean,
Yeah,
yeah, but
here,
instructions
let me look
for
at
Oh,
that.
you're doing it right.
I was just looking. I just need to know how to put it back on.
No,
Oh, there is instructions.
oh no, the back has an extra part.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. The back part. What's this?
Meanwhile, all I can look and see is, dang, I was actually vacuuming the couch,
Oh, yeah.
and all the things are off as I'm cleaning the couch. That looks like a toilet bowl cleaner thing.
Oh yeah, you know. I think this is for the bottom. The grip.
Whoever puts theirs on first has to help everybody else. Ha ha ha.
I already have yours on.
Judah, you could put that down since he talking.
Yeah.
You doing all this junk talking and you ain't did nothing.
I'm learning how to do it, buddy.
No, you should be able to learn how to do it on your own. There's instructions right there.
Oh, Cap. Look at this. Oh, I got
So what are you not capping about? I mean, what are we looking at that's gonna make you cap?
I got astronauts as
Oh,
my
that's
theme.
what I needed to do.
Astronauts. You know how raw it is?
No, not really.
So this one.
No.
So I'm guessing this is the battery. Y'all cannot lose your batteries.
No.
So I love it.
That's
All
what
right,
I'm saying.
Isaiah.
Y'all ain't gonna have it next week. What you talking about?
I did it.
Oh.
I can't.
No,
You
that's
gonna fail in
just
the
like
first
everything
week,
else.
so-
Look,
How
you
many? I mean,
And you still ain't popped on them yet? Is that the same one?
It's impossible to follow them. I have more
There we
on
go.
the first one.
Now I got this part down.
So this supposed to be a little.
You gonna be the first person.
Big brother, I'm gonna need your help real quick.
Okay.
Damn.
Hold on, family.
So we know who's the
Gunmaster.
assembly artist in the family.
He talk about me. He talk about me. He's scared that I'm gonna be a killer. This man already know how to put the gun up.
I said assembly artist.
Here you go.
Because Rodney went to the instructions. Solo ain't do nothing at all. And you got somewhere, but you have to
You only got
defer.
the mag on?
He didn't even say anything. He just did it.
I didn't even go kept. I had that clip.
Oh, put your stuff so I don't want to mess nothing up. I don't want to mix nothing up.
We're going to keep this in mind. If you end up joining the military, you'll be able to put your gun together with the quickness. We'll resort to this video as a starting point.
Isaiah, where's your stuff at, man?
It's
on the table.
We're going to see what comes of this.
You figured it out, Ronnie?
So this one is longer. Like, you know how cool this is? Sniper, so like people can't hear it, but it really don't make no difference.
Ronnie,
Y'all
I would
gotta look through it,
suggest
Daddy.
not
You can look through it.
What?
I would suggest not putting the Merc.
It
4 in there.
actually
That's
worked.
not for hip fire.
What?
The Merc 4 deal.
This?
Yeah.
Yeah, that jump
I
worked.
thought it was.
You can put
Oh,
it
my
on there.
bad.
Well, you can look through the top, and it should be one that like you can connect it to where you can look through the side like
No,
this.
right. Keep
So it's like this.
I'm gonna keep mine off.
It's
so we
like
don't
this,
get difference.
like this, and then you can do it like this. This one sticking out from the side.
It really don't matter. If you got
This is a sniper thing. Don't really have a dot to it. It said it was
Oh,
supposed to
it's
have a
a
dot
net.
side,
I'm
but
silly.
I'm happy with this. I don't know what this pulley thing is for.
You're dirty.
Oh,
You're dirty.
the pulley thing is
I
for
told
one.
you.
No, the pulley thing is for one.
What police thing?
This thing right here.
I
You
told
pull
you
it
it's
for one.
You shoot with it.
Or if it's not working, I really don't know. It's my first time having it. I'm not.
This is my first time rapping it.
We'll have to say, we'll have to say, thank you, mommy.
Thank you, mother. Thank you, mother.
Well, like, y'all got the glasses too? I don't know why
We
they
did
give us
pay for
glasses.
it.
Oh, not get
So
hit in
you
the
don't
face.
get hit in the eye?
I said you. I think Isaiah.
Aren't you and Judah?
Sometimes a murderer. Sometimes.
Look,
Aren't
Judah.
you and Judah what?
We was just gonna go on the walk and look what we found. This is supposed to hold it.
No,
So
those are two different grips. That's the
Yeah.
commando grip and that's the.
what commando grip? How am I supposed to grip this?
Like this.
That's for hip. That's more for
Wait.
hip fires.
Bring your stuff
Hip
back.
fire.
Yes.
How you hip fire?
Oh
Oh, you holding it all types of wrong.
Oh,
You
shoot.
hold it like this. This. Why are you holding it like this? What is this?
Haven't you watched TV?
How you hold it?
Like grip. You don't hold it. Grip. Like this.
Solo, you tripping.
Now you can hold it.
Yes, I am.
Hold it. And now you got more
What's this
aim.
for?
What put away these dishes I said.
Put more stuff, I guess. Put in a different
No,
space.
this is for this aim.
Me the way. Or put a laser on it, something. If you, how you gonna ask me what it is?
Judah, what is this supposed to be for then?
But look, oh.
You know, he always been that
What
way.
is this supposed to be for then?
Why didn't you make up your bed? Because you still sleep in it?
Oh, is this part of the ammo thing too?
I think this, yeah, it might be.
No, that's to get stuff out of the toilet.
Ew.
It'll make sense later.
You said
That, this,
I think this is.
You stick the Orbeez in there.
I think this is like an ammo holder, like.
no, get one of the other bowls. Y'all can, yes, get one of the bowls in the counter.
Alright, so
Rodney, this go on top so you can pour the Orbeez in. They ain't that thing going fast. It takes like an hour, so we gonna be here for a while.
Yeah, it looks like a bunch of tadpole eggs.
Wait, oh, this is it for it too. So.